everybody, it's Usernamekate here and welcome back to the channel. I am here for my 5th and final day with Canary Motorcycle Tours here in Gran Canaria. We're going south today and we are running away from the thunderstorms. Right, time for a coffee. 10 out of 10. I'm trying the Bertha, guys. I'm trying the big Bertha. But we gotta keep it. I said to Martin, will there be any crazy hairpins? He said no. We just gotta slip that clutch. Oh yes. I feel like I'm on top of the world. Wow. What a place. What an absolute place. It's just awesome. It's just absolutely fantastic. Right, enough chatting. Let's get on the roads because the twisties we're about to go on, I've been on them before and I know they are chef's kiss perfect. Okay, baby, right, I'm back on a little Hornet after my little excursion on the Africa Twin. But now we are riding a road that I think is absolutely phenomenal. Oh, so good. A bit sweaty because that stop is quite hot today. But yeah, gotta have the camera on for this road because if I do remember from last time, it was insane. And there's a lot of traffic because it's quite touristy and there's a lot of overtakes to be had. So I am ready. I was born ready. Honestly, Gran Canaria is like a giant playground for motorcyclists. It's like a theme park. Like, you know when you pay to go on a ride at like Blackpool Tower and you like it and you want to do it again and again and again. Well, that's just the feeling here. It's like, I want to do these roads again. Again, Ma, please. Oh, guys, Lily had a trauma on the flight on the way back home. An absolute trauma. There was a girl behind her with absolutely zero class because she had her stinky, sweaty, cheesy feet without socks going through to Lily's chair. And Lily didn't realise, well, she knew something was up because of the smell. She said it was just disgusting, like cheesy feet. And when she looked down, she noticed a load of dead skin cells on her cardigan that was on her knee because the girl behind was stretching out with her stinky feet through like where the window is and was picking the dead skin off of her feet. And a nice sprinkling of Parmesan was landing on Lily. So she was absolutely seething. In fact, I'll insert a picture of the trauma that Lily had to deal with. Absolutely vile. So yeah, the plan now is to hunt down the west coast. Oh, it's gonna be sensational. 21 degrees, it says so there, look. Please stop, sir. Gracias. Please stop, senor. Gracias. Oh, I love the old Mercs. So old gentleman gangster. Oh. Biker must have been killed there. Some flowers and a picture of a motorbike with a guy. It's always sad to see. Ride in peace, brother. Oh, look at it all. Oh, it's beautiful! Flow stay. Tidy, keep it going, keep it rolling. Oh, wow. On to the next bend again. Nothing's coming. The road is our oyster. The road as our playground. Oh yes, it's just so flippity floppity, don't stop it. Oh wow, look at that view. Oh yes. Buzzing. Again, Martin on the NC750 behind. What a lad. He's with us. Oh. Tight. Oh, I love this. Flow state. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Flippity, floppity, don't stibbity stabbity. Oh. Sexy. Yeah, this isn't even the GC200 yet. We're not even at it. We're not on it. Oh, look at his tarmac. Shut up. Just shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Ah. Oh, wow. Oh, beautiful. Go around the cyclist, and then after that we're all good. Come back in here because I can see that, but as soon as that's out the way, I'm straight into a mega tight one. Woo! Oh yes. Oh, love, love, love. Love, 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 la 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 la. Is that rain? Is that precipitation? Feeling Martin might pull up somewhere here. Look at the rainbow! Wow, that rainbow is so cool. The gang's back together. That rainbow is beautiful. It's been the trip of rainbows. It's been the trip of rainbows. We've seen rainbows in some capacity, like constantly on this trip. And it's just adding to the beauty of it all. Quite upright. Very, very tight and tactical around there because it's very damp on the floor. Sometimes tight and tactical is what you need. I'm loving this day. I'm loving it, guys. Then again, I love every day that I'm out on the road in GC. Oh, do you know what? While we're taking these beautiful turns and we're doing it a little bit slower because of the wet road, maybe I should take a moment to talk to you guys about like luggage allowance and stuff like that on the planes, because obviously you have to book your own flights for the tour. They're not included, so you get your rough dates when you want to come, you liaise with Joy, then you look at the flights and see when's the most suitable, stuff like that. But when it comes to baggage and things like that, you've got a few choices. Obviously every airline is different. Say for example, I have flown in with EasyJet, but I'll be going out with Ryanair, so definitely make sure that if they've got different hold luggage allowances, that you pack to the smallest allowance, because for example my EasyJet I had 23 kilograms, but for Ryanair I've only got 20 coming back, so you have to pack for 20, otherwise you're going to struggle to bring everything back that you brought. So thankfully my luggage was 19.7 with all of Mike's kit in, all of my kit in. Now obviously I'm a vlogger, so I am laden up to the eyeballs with electronics, and they've all got to come through like with me on the plane as hand luggage. But I also have the helmets, so we have my helmet, we have Mike's helmet. Now if I was coming on my own, if I was brave enough, sometimes when I've been on launches they've only allowed for one bag of hand luggage, and that has to be filled with all my electrics. So sometimes I have no choice but to put my helmet in my hold luggage, and that does make me feel a little bit sick, I won't lie. However, what I normally do is take out the back protector of my Knox jacket, I take out the shoulders, I take out the elbows, I take out the armour of my knees, and I literally wrap the helmet in all the armour and then put it snug in a helmet bag, like a zip one, so that if, you know, they are a little bit rough with it, hopefully the armour will do what it's supposed to do in terms of absorbing things. It still doesn't make me feel the most comfiest, but sometimes you've got to do it. So for example with Ryanair, if you book priority or like speedy boarding, you instantly get a small carry-on and a bigger carry-on, and a small carry-on can be like a handbag, or in my case, and probably your case, a helmet. So you can class it as that. So when we got the flights, they were EasyJet, we went priority. It also gives you speedy boarding, so you can kind of like whiz through the queues, etc. But it just means that I can have all my riding kit that I want to bring. So I could have my own jacket, like my RST one that I got from MC Hub in Darwin. It means I can bring my Motorgirl leggings, which I also got from MC Hub in Darwin. Sorry, I'm doing a big plug for them guys because I freaking love them. Hashtag not sponsored. I bought all this with my own money. But yeah, now because I'm coming back with Ryanair, they have a slightly different thing, so you have to make sure, in my case, that I book the two like hand luggages, because I'd hate to have that allowance coming in but not have that allowance going back, because then they'd probably try and throw my helmet in the hold, of which would be an absolute disaster. Having said that, if you are coming on this trip and you don't need to carry all the electricals under the sun like me and Mike do, then you may not have to go for priority or speedy boarding, which is usually a bit more expensive, because you can carry your helmet as hand luggage, and that's kind of a nice warm feeling, because you know exactly what the helmet's been subjected to because it's in your possession and control. But yeah, it's almost worth it to figure out what you want to do, how you want to play it, and go from there, really. Oh, look at this rainbow! Oh, wow! That's gorgeous! I love, love, love! Banana plantation. Oh, wow! Are we actually going to ride under the rainbow? I hope we do. But I reckon it's got to be lunchtime soon. It's got to be. So hopefully that's covered your concerns and questions. If I've missed anything that you want answering, drop a comment. Oh, that's another thing that's not included that you have to sort yourself out with: travel insurance. There's a big old reason for that. Where we are in the Canary Islands, we're very far away from home. So if something happens to you, God forbid, on the trip, you know, repatriation is not the easiest, especially if you don't have decent travel insurance. So it's good to go for, you know, a decent one. Make sure it covers motorcycling, because a lot of them don't. However, if you are struggling with that, Joy can give you the link to the people that they use and recommend. Like when I was last here, Joy showed us the website for, I want to say Bikesure Insurance. Now, to be honest with you, I don't really know how much it is, purely because we're in January now. It's the start of the year. So Mike and I have gone for like an annual policy, which is like in the £200 region. But I can expense it because I need it for work. Oh, dead thing. And yeah, Mike's on the policy. It covers motorcycling around Europe. There's lots of T's and C's and stuff like that, so you've got to double check the IPIDs, or the IPIDs, which is a legal kind of document which states what your policy, exactly what you get, the T's and C's, stuff like that. In fact, I think they have to send you an IPID for it to be like a contractually bound policy. Pretty sure. I think maybe the cost of a policy like that for a single trip for a single person is probably in the region of like £20 to £30, maybe, if I can remember correctly from last year. So you've just got to be aware of it, that's all, and make sure you have it, because the last thing you want to do is come unstuck in the Canary Islands. And in fact, Joy and Martin require to see it when you get there in Gran Canaria. They want to see that you have that document because it's so important. Right, I think I've covered everything. I really hope I have. I do get a lot of you people that say, oh well, you're going to say good things about this trip because they're a channel sponsor and you're riding there for free. And you know what, they are a channel sponsor, but they're just wonderful people, and it's absolutely a company that I can get behind, because I have the best time here with Martin and Joy and Ken and Jose and Nigel. It's just excellent. So yeah, for the skeptical among you, you can do with that information what you wish, but also the roads will speak for themselves. The stops will speak for themselves, the viewpoints will speak for themselves. Also, it makes me laugh. Oh, you got a free holiday. Define free. Define free, because what it's not costing me in money, it certainly costs me in time for editing, because I'll be editing these, putting hours and hours into it. So it does cost me my time, whereas people that pay for this holiday can just ride and record what they want, or not record at all and just take pictures and capture memories. But yeah, there is a lot of work that does go into, you know, making sure I get these videos out and stuff like that. So, but yeah, it's always nice, isn't it, to be transparent. Oh guys, it's just started bucketing it down. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Ah, dry. Wow, oh wow. I mean, we've got a wet GC200 anyway, but if you can't like enjoy it for the dry roads, which we unfortunately can't today, you can certainly take a lot out of it for its view. Wow, wow, wow. Its view is absolutely insane. Look. Oh, and another rainbow! Yes, how beautiful. I think that's the second rainbow today. I'm loving these rainbows. Wow, it goes all the way down into the ocean. Wow, look at this. Wow. Insane. I know you gotta stay close to the right hand side when there's roads like this, but when you can see that it opens up, it's not too bad. I can run a little bit wider to get the view in on the camera. Oh, beautiful. Very tight. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. My goodness, if you forget to turn your head, you can miss a lot of this coming this way, because that's beautiful. That is Jurassic Park. That is Indominus Rex jumping up from the ocean vibes. Yeah, that is a glorious road, the GC200. I think it's definitely better the way we did it in the dry with Lily and Mike, because that way you get to see like the gorgeous Jurassic looking backdrop of the sharp jaggedy mountains where they meet the ocean. Oh, my bladder is screaming over these bumps. Screaming. Although this is giving Buddy off-road. It's not. I'm exaggerating. Maybe I'm not. Wow. You can see all this orange on Martin's tyre. But it is cool. So behind all these big nets are banana plants. You can see them all crunched up, trying to retain as much humidity as possible to help them live their best banana-y life. That was fun. Oh, look at that, sizzling away. Flipping heck, Alan.
Yours is really sizzly.
You got the really sizzly one.
Yours is still cooking, Alan.
£3 into the kitty. So I said, oh.
Let's go. Ah, well guys, I am fed and watted and I have got a strong taste of garlic sauce in my mouth right now. But I have to say that where we've just eaten at the fish place was, for me, I think one of my favourite places to eat on this whole trip. Definitely go for the fish at fillet. It comes sizzling, as you saw with Alan's. Mine was slightly less sizzly, but I'm not mad at that because it was still nice. And I polished it off because it was gorgeous. Banana plants. Bananas. Oh, I can see all the bunches. Can you see them? That's so cool. Oh, the weather. Beautiful again. This is the thing. So what if it rains in Gran Canaria? You'll be dry the second you hit the sunny parts. Yeah, this road in the dry is one of my favourites on the island, along with the GC200. GC200, when you're on the side of the drops and not the rocks, that's one of my personal favourites. This road also is fantastic. Purple bush, love that. There we go. There we have it. We're under the rain cloud. The pitter patter is pitter pattering. Oh no. Oh well. I can't imagine we're more than half an hour away from base as the rain starts to fall. Well everybody, that's me done. We are back at base, back at the unit. I'm on my 5th day and final day of riding. So that is it for me. Finito, benito. What a trip it's been. It's been amazing. There's not a singular bad road in Gran Canaria. It's phenomenal. I've absolutely loved it. I hope I've been able to portray that to you guys on each and every episode. But yeah, it's been phenomenal. It's been great riding with my bestie Lily. It's been great riding with Mike. And also these last 2 days, it's actually been great riding solo in a sense, because you're never solo. We've been out with some absolutely incredible people, some incredible riders, and it's just been a hoot. I've absolutely adored it. Well guys, let me know what you think about the series in the comments below, the little playlist of Gran Canaria. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hopefully it's, hello, photobomber. Hopefully it's inspired you to book a tour with them, because you will not be disappointed. Let me tell you that for a fact. All right guys, I will love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Appreciate you all. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.